That one na be one. Two, una no dey carry as una hand reach. You know say you know say you don't friend many guests for, especially the one when it dey Europe. If una don't make small money, una call they select. No, this one is materialistic. This one is monetalistic. This one is this listic. Una call get the heuristic of everything about woman. But if una not get money, woman go follow una suffer. Before I go start, I go talk one story. I go talk one story about woman when you really face domestic violence. How our society they say, stay husband, may we die. Man, when we say they face many challenges because they get one position for church or they get one position for the society. Woman will they punish her for their fear. No, let her talk come out so that make people know what they do. Chum. Yeah, you know if you keep your wife, you know if you keep your wife, you know if you stay with your wife. If man when you get money mistakenly divorce your wife, oh na no reason and say this man don't first suffer for that. Wait till don't bear for this woman hand, it don't too much. Una no go talk that one. Well, let me go to the story I want to talk about today. He get one woman that time, Mama Lucky. He did my area. They said they suffer, so he can't carry stuff for near our house. He can't carry stuff for there. His husband na police. He can't carry stuff. As he carry the stuff, he can't sell provision. So that provision, God can't bless her. People can't they patronize her. People can't they buy things for that woman hand. Fear not they let the woman they talk again. Anytime when you make pen, your husband will say, because you don't they see money. Because you don't they see money. Before you know, me I tell now the repercussion. Me I tell now where they go to the repercussion of violence with wicked minds. Some people they oppress their wife because of their wicked acts. Because they want to oppress that woman, they want maybe say, okay, so not baby. It become nothing. If they go, they do, sir. They want make their wife become slave for them. Now that one I want really talk about today. So this man, when he comes, he said the woman not give up. The woman, people cause they buy something for him. I know what he can they do. He go carry salt. If you want punish the woman, they get more quarrel. Fear not they let this woman not be Benin woman or this one a robo woman. Fear not they let the woman they talk. Fear not let the woman talk anything. He go carry kerosene, go miss and join Gary. As wicked as some men wicked rich. He go carry all year. He go turn her for his rice. Just to punish the woman. Just to punish the woman. But you know the repercussion. Una know they ask why women know they quit they die for Nigeria. Why be say now the woman they suffer pass. Now the man now they feel they die. You know what they call abomination. Some men they don't commit abomination all because they be the head of the house. God give them that strength. Some men they are very wicked. He go turn everything together. He go carry on kerosene, go pour her for inside gari. He go carry all year. He go pour her for inside rice. Make the woman they say. No, na say people wicked. Before you know, he no sick. He leg on the swell up. Wait it happen. They can carry and go everywhere. They carry and go hospital. This woman, na money see they spend though. They carry and go everywhere. Nowhere when they don't carry this man go. At the end, he die like that because of the wicked act. Anywhere where they go tell and say, which kind of abomination you do? Which kind of abomination you do? Go and beg your wife. Go and beg your wife. Which kind of abomination you do so? Because everybody here they see what they do. Everybody they see what the atrocity when this man they commit. That one come pass. He get another woman. He with his wife get misunderstanding. because say wife give her a bath, he give her food, he no use train take serve am, he carry gun, he shoot his wife for leg. At the end, everybody dey say go your husband house, go your husband house. When the man wan die, they no see corpse carry. That is the repercussion of every wicked man that is maltreating his wife. Turn away from it. Turn away from it. His evil hearts. You don't know what they worry you. You don't know what the cost when they bring upon yourself. Anybody when you want to use oppression for your wife, I wish you know what the partner mean. You know say one no be slave for one. No, but one no be slave for one. You work together to become team. You work together. Wife work with your husband. Husband work with your wife. I dey watch live video that day about our brother for Nigeria, Dion Saigi. Man blind woman high. Una see how the fete judge the matter before. Say the man, people, even that guy come with the talk, say, he take her, since 2002, he see take her, enter us, he see they marry her. That means the woman see come see they born. So society, what is society put us? We go they receive beating for husband. People would they say, Ziegbe, go and pray in the church. Go and pray in the church. Many women have lost their life. Many women have lost their life. Instead of me authority, put law against this domestic violence against women in Nigeria. You see, man, go they proud, they talk and say, I dey beat my wife if you do nonsense. I dare you. Your wife na baby. Your wife na mama when you want beat. Man, go they proud. You go say, man, not be me. Man, na go, na wife they conquer na for us. Me na me they beat my wife. They go they proud. They go they proud. They talk. The day when you go, what thing will happen to you and you go make tickle, they don't know where to take your life. Be proud. They happy. They rejoice say you they maltreat God pikin. God no oppress you. You they oppress another person. Or because say he come marry you. Wife when you supposed to love. Wife when you supposed to cherish like your whole body. Can you beat yourself? What you go do to yourself when you carry knife then they shook yourself? What you cannot do to yourself, don't do it to another person. Especially your wife. And some people go talk say, if wife submits, husband go love her. That is a error. Some people go sit talk say, wife, keep your husbands. Una be property when they keep. If marriage poor, now go they ask the woman, how your marriage takes poor? Wait till make your marriage poor. Now your hand is there. So the man no get the man. He no behind the day. That's why many men are dying in Nigeria. No one wife for us. Man go die. Nobody there. No wife. No. No wife go baba hair for them. Now that type of life. Now you want live. This one are for the men when he. This one another on men when they greedy too. You there abroad. You don't friend all Europe girls finish. You not see one marry. You don't become 45 years. You can't go Nigeria. You can't go bring 20 years old girl. As you go Nigeria, you bring 20 years old girl. You can't feel say yes. I don't arrive. This one, I go make her say, I go make sure say no near anybody. I don't make anybody spoil her. So that everything when he do, I go they receive her. You can't train the woman. You can't put her for school. Those one when in America, when they do so nurse. You can't train her, you can't put her for school. If they give you a paycheck because they no can't give you again, alarm will blow. The next you go they plan to kill her. You go they plan to kill your own wife because of paycheck, because of check. You can say I sacrifice everything for you. I sacrifice everything for you. At the end of the day, you do this to me. As that our brother when he kills, I don't want to judge the deaths. That's why I don't want to measure his name. I want to talk to people that when they see their life, when see they greedy like this. Don't be greedy. Greediness is bad. If your wife can do the domestic work without saying, as you know, lament, why you no go leave a paycheck for her if you no want give you? Why you no go leave her for her? Omo na share her. And now take they do as things. Ah, you they pay this one, maybe they pay this one. How you go come lead to death, to killing each other? How you go come take results to that one because of greedy? Women don't sacrifice their life so go even they go they pay all the bill when they ask you go say na your husband they do one. No, why me? Why me? If you reach Nigeria today, most of the house, the breadwinner is the women. If they go reach us, they go see do all the domestic work. You know go hear them for their mouths. The day when they go even talk, the man go say, "Oja, you move any buek back." If person they talk now, say they want to spoil on a woman. You want to spoil my woman. You want to spoil my woman. You want to destroy people ass. But common sense, how you go tell live with happiness? Una no they take her. Una no one year round. Una want rule everything about the woman life. Mama and papa when he born pikin no rule in life. You when no what so damn here. You when you don't marry person. You say now you can't get in life because of the name of marriage. Woman when he gets level for society because he marry man, his career die. He ends the career because if he get money past the husband, now taboo. Go look on other worlds like Europe when we did. You know what women they do for you? You know how many women they office? You know how many women today they great and bring their husband come and they sample their husbands. They will dress their husband or they follow them. But if woman make money for Nigeria, if woman come make money for Nigeria, you go see say the husband go they you go say shut up. Tell the say na me get the money. Tell the say na me get the money. Tell the say na me do one. The woman before you know the career go they die. And the husband not get the talent oh. Now the woman get the talent. Before you know the career go they die. Men, buckle up. Women are celebrating single. Una know the shame. Una no say don't read the time when be say una go take stand up. Woman go leave husbands before you know it don't they do well. Instead of me deal your ass, una do well together. That wow, una no go agree. If person talk, una say me bring head, me naka. Truth is bitter. Men are greedy. African men are greedy. Now my wife, now me get everything. No. If you want get everything, now be if you do things well with that woman, you go get everything when he gets. Everything when he gets go belongs to you. You blind woman, you feel get fear, go marry another man, another woman, go give another woman belly. Ask tell me how you go take that way. That kind of person. Tell me how you go take that way. If you blind person, woman, it still be like that thing on the carry they go. Now so it still be. Now so this women I be to them. No remorse, nothing. Later na juju place he go, now I blind. Man want beat woman, you go beat her like say na with men with her, na gather the fight. Please, men. Please. Later now come out. Una what did they pay me for? It's like men sabi justify themselves where. They sabi justify themselves for nonsense. They sabi justify themselves. They sabi call woman. Come on for here, you will not fit keep husband. Una know the shame. Say you not fit keep husband. Woman not fit keep husband. Now woman they keep husband. Being a man they keep wife. Now man now they keep wife. No be woman they keep husband. We are there to help you. Not to keep you, not be baby when woman will keep, when woman want keep. We are not here to keep you. Love us if we will not respect you. Go and see any woman that is love. when love enter their brain, they know they hear their mama word, they know they hear their papa word. Love your wife. If you be say go even they hear another person word for outside. Love your wife whether I know will respect you. And women, stop this thing coming out and say you have to do this to your husband, you have to do this one to your husband, you have to do this so that he will love you. No, it's an error. It's man that go for woman. That means man have to love his wife first. When you love anybody, like children, love children, they will surrender for you. They will say anything in their hearts. That's woman for you. When you love your wife, you don't get one secret. When you show your wife abundant love, you don't get secret again. Even the bank account, the check, you know go even they use and you go say take. If you even the first one say, well, you take your back and you go say, well, they take can. Not be me go they do shopping now. If I want to do shopping, no worry, you give me. That is woman for you. Men should stop coming out and be telling, no man, they come and they talk, say, this is how we're supposed to love our wife. They only know how to justify themselves. Any woman that is submissive, we will love them. Any woman that is this, we will love them. You love first. Because we don't come into now first. That they always they talk. As an African woman, we not go to meet our husband first. Now our husband they see us. Now they come meet us first. So your duty is to love us first. Love your wife. Whether I not go submit everything when he get for you. He go leave everything when they do. He go make sure say you not go even they hear papa what they get, no they hear mama what they get. If your friends even tell her say your husband they shit on you, he go say he go make Jen say that your friend become enemy to her. That is woman. Stop telling us to keep you. We can't keep you if you are not man enough. We can't keep you. Which strength we get to keep man? Now they keep us. Now man now they keep woman. Not be woman they keep man. And you cannot keep a woman by beating up a woman. You cannot keep a woman like that. When you beat her one, beat her two, you continue to the beat her. Anytime when you tell see liberty, my sister, you go wrong. Anytime when you tell see where you want to go, he must run, leave you. Women, please stop that thing. Even church, stop it. Stop telling women how to bear domestic violence. Bear. Go and pray. Come and pray in the church. Your husband will change. Call that man. If you are a pastor, call that man to order. Call that man to order. There's no woman that a man will love that will misbehave. You know they exist. There's no woman on this earth when man will love. Oh God, I don't know how people they take this love to. If you love your wife genuinely, you know they hear words. You know they hear mama, you know they hear outside that words. For a woman, our husband now our cram. Our husband now our cram. As we say, we they shade their foreheads when you show us love. If you show woman love, he go carry you for heads. He go they carry you, they go. He go say, before you know they talk another that. He go say, my husband this, my husband that. When you even did, then you will call say, chop up. Now let your husband they talk about. You know say love did that has. So men, we not go fit keep you now. No, don't tell us to keep you. Don't tell no woman should come out and say, when you keep your husband, that is when your husband will love you. When you respect your husband will love you. We will not fit keep you. No, they keep us. Now men they keep wife, not be woman they keep man. And men stop it. We not fit keep you. Not be teddy bear. Not be children. We can't keep you. Now they keep us. Show us love. And may you see how we go take shower now. Love back. Don't come out. Don't come to Facebook and start saying, women have to respect your husband. Women have to do this. Women have to do that. Before man will love you. We don't foresee all those things when they talk. Una don't make una self. Just see all this celebrity. more use all those people, all these women celebrity. They don't add drama, so their husband, they beat them for drama. So men when they are psychotic saying that so they want be, they can't go marry them. Yeah, he was being but they all on social media. He beat me here, he slapped me here, he blow my head here, he blow my what a warage here. How you say you go be when you they ask film where they say, man, they beat you. How you say you go be? You say you go fit stay that husband as when you they show public say yes, men have rights to beat women. Now juju they worry them. Abi? Now juju now they worry them. That's why they beat you now. As soon as they pray for that drama, when our husband start to the beat now for real life, not supposed to they pray like that. Life is not an whole video. Life no be drama. Life no be drama. When it comes to life, you do as you take here. So men, I always tell now, we cannot keep you. You keep us. May you see us, we go take the schedule now, like say, now can't get our life. I have somebody that is close to me. Till today, that girl, I'm not sure say even they call his papa and his mama again. He go say, I don't marry oh what dommage oh. Now marry a day, my papa collect bride price for my hand oh. So as my papa collect bride price for my hands. So my husband family now can't dey. You know why? Love don't blind down for ear. He can't blind down for eye. He can't blind down for mouth. He can't blind down for everything. Not be say I support that kind of thing, but I dey tell me say, don't be greedy. Show your wife love and see the way make your wife go take shower you with love. Women, we don't already get love inside us. God creates us as a lovely being. That is why we feel they nurture our children. We feel they love our children. Immediately woman born come out, the first thing when he go see, joy will enter his body instantly. That's so when God take create woman. We are lovely being. We don't need to, God not say we love anybody. You see where God say, wife, love your husband. No, because you know say, he create us with love. If you can't say love, Jonah, you know say our head will go gaga. That's why God not even command us to love. You know say our love. If love they worry woman, you ought to say nah juju nah they worry, but no be juju. No be juju na love. So men, no be our character go keep una. No. No be our character go see pursue now. Now love. Now you will give us. You see, when man make love to your wife, now let one span now they give to your wife. If you want born, go born for you might be. Now so we be. When you give us love, when we want give you back, we they give you with full, with all our hearts. So stop killing us, stop beating us, show us love. You will see what he will do for you. Man, when you love your wife, not be mumu. Not let society tell you, say, if you love your wife, you be mugu. Now lie, you not be mugu, my brother. You are doing the God's will. Helping your wife to do domestic work. You are not a mugu. You are doing the God's will and you are creating a happy home. Don't let people tell you otherwise. Don't let people tell you that, no, not be so it be. Not so it be. Show your wife love. Again, one day we want sweep church. As we want sweep church, one woman husband, I don't know how you want to present gifts for your husband. He go church early morning. He go help his wife. Now his wife turn that day to sweep church. Now his wife turn that day to sweep church. He go early morning. He go quickly clean the church. After he clean everything finish, because he don't buy everything for a wife. Because if I wait till I want to come back, give her. Today I don't want me stress at all. He go up and clean church. As he help and clean church finish, he can't call his wife say, no go clean church today. Oh. And his wife can't tell her say, why no go clean church? Can't say I don't go clean. And his wife can't say, who say you may go clean? Now you can't say call the rest people when it's day or group. Make they no go clean. Make they no go today. She called me. and tell me say no go. Now I say why now? He say just tell your husband don't go clean church. Okay, ask me that kind of woman that night. You go come say, you go come tell your husband say, my nyash they pay me, my nyash they pay me, and no fit do anything with you. It's impossible. That woman and wish. Before your husband go even ask, you go say, Baba take is for you. That is how woman is made. Stop deceiving yourself that we have to be submissive before you give us love. That is a lie. If you are the head of the house, it means you show good example. You start it first. I come to tell you today, if you be man, if you really be the head of the house, as Bible tell you say you be the head of the house, it means you should show good example. You know, many of us don't really know all these things. It means you should show good example. From there, your wife go be copycat, go they follow you, go they follow you, go they follow you. Don't do it otherwise. Say my wife must submit first before I love my wife. It's an error. Love your wife whether your wife no will submit. Show me man when you love your wife. I go show you mumu woman. Yes. Show me man when you love your wife. That woman become mumu to your husband. That is how God made us. If you say drop that in there, the woman no get choice. He go drop her. He go drop her because your husband is full with love. Your husband already give her that love. So there's not two ways about it, my people. Man, stop dragging your wife credit cards. Show her love. Whether you know will tell you say, why we even get two accounts? We're supposed to be joint accounts. Now so when woman, now so God take create woman. Now so God take create woman. Stop telling us to keep you because we cannot keep you. You are a fool woman, human being. We can't keep you. Stop telling us, woman keep your husband. Woman keep your husband. I call the talk say me myself I call the wonder. All these people, all these men, they know who they be, safe. They know who they be. May her God. Now so God, now so Bible talking. He said they are small God. Now so Bible talking. Lead you, we will follow you. Show a good example. We will follow you. Stop telling us otherwise. Stop telling us that if you never love us, if we never love you, if we not submit, you no go love us. Now lie. Show us love. We will give you now our life. Woman can sacrifice everything you have for a marriage to work. That's woman. That is woman. But when you become to use your physical power towards us, we go dey find liberty. We go dey find where we want wrong go. We go dey find where we want wrong go. You know how many wives now? They church, they need that, they pray for your husband head. May your husband succeed for life. But if man want pray, go pray for himself. Go say, God, let me be successful in life. But if woman want to pray, he no even they remember himself to pray for himself. He go fair pray for your husband. He go make sure say fair pray for that your husband. Say, God, make my husband be successful. That's woman. So men, if you don't love us, we are going nowhere. Show us love and stop showing us blow. Stop showing us say you must calm down. You must obey me. No. See women now. They are leaving their husband house and they are celebrating. They are celebrating their singleness. Unati say yes. They call the single mother. Single mother, she. Single mother, she. But single mother, if you make pala for your ass, now you don't they put on weight. You don't know your error. So that means you don't make the same mistake again. Many men are dying in Nigeria. They get 5 women when he born for them. 6 women when he born for them. So before they die, no one did their ass. That one a better man. Three woman born for you. No one there with you. You be better, man. Lead us and we will follow you. Stop showing us blow. Stop dragging our back commands. What do they call back command for English? A paycheck. Stop taking our paycheck from us by force. Some men, before they carry their wife go Germany, carry their wife go Austria. Before their wife they collect the money, they don't reach there. Bring the money come. Bring the money come. Hish. Man, show us road. Lead. Lead. Ah, Jesus Christ, tell lead if you are a Christian. Lead where? Be the man in your house. Some men don't work. They go carry remote, sit down for telly. Their wife will come work, come. Their wife will do zo, their life come back. You go call us, you go say, you go, wife does it call us. You go say, I just the hungry since. Cook for me. And you think you are doing well. You are not doing well, my brother. You are not doing well at all. You are not doing well. You are not doing well. Lead us, we will follow you. Lead us, we will follow you. Show us love, we will love you back. We not even at the talker. We don't even need to love you now. Stop dragging our paycheck with us. What do you say, Jennifer? What do you say? He said, I need your help to make my yes. Yes, if I'm in the position, why not? I will help. I will help. Please, men, when you lead well, woman will always follow you by your step. When a man leads well, woman will always they follow her by step. Kade kade. Men that don't know the meaning of the head of the ass. You are in the front, the woman is in your back. Like this, now you be my people. Like this. When you they go from the woman, they follow you. The woman go they go like this, you go they come like this. That one a step backwardness. Move forward, you see say the woman they move with you. Ladies are not celebrating their single life. Men are there say yes, they be single mother, they be single mother. Women now they swear say no, God forbid, they no go ever marry again. So women are just going to husband ass. I make go up with women. You go just there husband, you go say, why you go born? If I you born too, if the man just do any, I will just come out, I just live my single life, they go. Men be clapping for yourself. See what you have turned them to. You come here, you come to tell us to keep you. Because you be property. You are human being. You are a leader. A leader show the way. No otherwise. You show the way, we follow you. Don't tell us you will be at the front without not knowing the meaning of the front. Show us way. You go see say we go follow now. Show us way. Be in the front. If you have a career woman in your life, don't bring that woman to nonsense. You see young girl, you go dey vibrant. You go see say yeah, the future na bright future. One man will just come and do all the name of marriage. You go kill that girl future. Bam! Not be say me you encourage her and say yes, this is where you belong to. My wife, follow up. I wish that time when Omotola Jalade marry, when the husband business come for, I wish the husband say stop acting. That woman for don't leave that husband house. You don't hear say Omotola Jalade go come out and the breadwinner of the house. No, she will not say it. Give your wife opportunity to do what you love. And ya women, when ya wow. No, not be that one when people take they spoil their life. No. That one when be say woman go really get, it go be career woman. You go be woman when be say no itself. You go see whether that family no go dey bright. You go see whether that family no go dey bright. Don't bring your wife to Europe all because I want to make they work for me. Only a gbese. Madam bring her come, better come pass. Husband bring you come. Get some husband when he bring their wife come. If their wife they go toilet here, you moto more here just because they fear. Many people no go spoil their wife. Why will you be living in bondage? Why will you be living in bondage? That type of men are bondage una they live because una don't spoil other people life. Una don't spoil other women life finish. One can go bring mumu come for Nigeria. Una come they say no play with this one, no go me this one. They go spoil you. They go spoil you. If you good to your wife, nobody can spoil your wife. If you good to your wife, nobody can spoil your wife. A grown-up woman like me now, cause say another woman will spoil me. Walk a day. Or my husband will call the fear. Say another woman will spoil me. I'll first tell and say, come, I don't first get sense before you marry me. Yes, that is me. If they go church, they go carry their wife go church. They know they agree with their wife the entire bus. If they mistakenly, their wife come mistakenly sit down with you for church, they go say, they go use that, they go speak their language for them. I don't want to make sure the people, they will speak their language for all the name of fear. They want to put that woman for bondage. Not be say they want to put her, they don't already put that woman for bondage. Immediately the woman come no say, see what your husband they use now they do, your husband come, the wife come they run. They'll say, so person at that state women as spoiler. Now don't what they worry and what they hungry for this Nigeria. In don't bring a call now. Basically the what they do. Now so the men must see something to justify their mistake. For they don't sit down, not be all of them. Some men must see some yet to justify their mistake. Don't justify yourself. Women always want man that is a leader. Now so when woman be. You are 45 years old man, you go to Nigeria and marry 20 years old woman. You can't put her for school, maybe this school. You can't get sense. You can't say go come be with you. Oh God, he marry you because they no get food they eat for Nigeria. Yes. That kind of woman go still stay with you when you show her love. Love your wife, not be mumu. You not be mumu if you love your wife. Help your wife for work for us. If una two they work, even if una two no they work, to take care of children, that could be the highest work. Especially if they did that tender age. If they don't they creep, you want wear a shoe, go throw away the other one. You want wear another shoe, go throw away the other one. You they wear picky dress or tie sweat, go they sweat you. You will come be like saying I work, now you they work. You will come be like saying I work, now you they work. No be the cry when they go cry. Necessary cry. No be that one. Please, men, I'm asking you, get up and become a leader of your house. To become a leader of your house does not mean you have to punch your wife 100 times. To become a leader in your house does not mean you have to punch your wife 100 times. I know saying I fear the cash now. That's why I know that's why I bring this message come. Many men they fear. Thank you, Rachel, for sharing. Many men they fear. That is the truth. That is why they beat their wife. They say if they beat their wife will call the bill a mumu. Na lie. Na lie. Immediately you see opportunity go wrong. They go beat you when you dey happy. They go beat you when you dey happy. No. They no beat anybody, make anybody they happy. So my men, my wonderful men I'm calling you today that you are a leader. Lead well. You see, more use president to talk. I won't be men when you don't even sabi lead on us. If presidents not lead well, but here everybody go they swear they give the presidents. If you don't lead well, your children will become wayward children. When your children see that you are beating their mother every day, you go see say that pikin no go feel love in papa, no go feel love in mama. So children are used to it. They don't even they care again. You get one pikin, they live with his mama, they fight. That's why I know me. I vow by myself. If husband and wife too they quarrel, I know they go. Before you know, the spirit will be coming inside you. Either your husband will come say, I see better pass this one. So I don't encourage it. Please, men lead well. We will follow you definitely. Women are copy. Women, their husband na cramp for them. Women, they never see food. They go want to serve their husbands. Now so when God take create us. Now so when God take create us. So stop selling us. We must keep you with, because we must keep you with our character. No. Even the Bible say you can even sacrifice yourself for us. Yes, now Bible talking. It say you should be, you are the head of a woman, and you should do everything Christ do for the church. You hear me? You should do everything Christ did for the church. Show us love, and we will show you, we will give you everything that God created us with. Because God created women with love. That's why it's saying on the inside sleep well. The risk that I collect from you guys is not that precious love. That's it there with us. We know the share, and that's why anything we feel take care of. Women can use anything to share to soup. Women can do everything to turn to food. Me, I stop they go they do spazer with my husband. Because if I go do one with him, I go say buy this one, maybe we'll manage. So I stop. I don't say if he go do one by himself, he no go manage. He go buy us with a need down. So I not can they go again. If we want to do spazer, he go do and come, because I know say if he by himself go, he go buy everything when I need. I only the phone. They tell her buy this one. I know they drive. Now they drive. You understand? If woman buy 20 years of food, he go cook rice, he go cook stew. But if man want cook stew, he go carry all the oven ahead, he go use and take cook only one soup. Women, we can manage things. We can manage things. So men, please lead us well and see what we will give to you. I always they use this to they make reference. When you want make us conceive, you only enjoy and give us the thing. When we want give you, you don't even they know the day when it happen, but immediately woman want belle enter. You reach one more already know. When he want give you full picking. When you give us negativity, woman will come be fire. That's why you come to say this woman are evil. This woman are evil. This woman are evil. Really, God did not created any woman to be evil. We are lovely people. We are lovely people. Don't blind our eyes and you expect us to love you. Don't collect things by force from us. Oh God. You know, never see me go use mate bad fish for woman soup. You go see say the woman will say ruby, but you go see dead zia, you go see dead husband has. You go see they call your husband, my husband do. What if woman they do when be say go use yours, you go use your money to back her. You go say, oh look at what my husband you bought for me. You know why? He want put your husband for the highest position and bring himself down. That is woman. That is woman. Woman fit use the money take build house. You go put your husband name. That is woman. When you give us love, we give you peace. Don't come to live video and be proud of it that you beat your wife. When I come out for here, men when they beat their men when their wife they conk for us. My wife no they conk me, I mean they conk my wife. You are a shameless person if you are a man like that. Don't be proud of it. If at all you made a mistake, I made it. You made a mistake, maybe through anger, you give your wife slapped. Immediately I made them. And if you get hot temper, you know what you do. As my papa they talk that time. You go say if man get hot temper, you go buy trouser when he big, when he get big pockets. Anytime when you with your wife say they quarrel, put her for that pocket. Make sure say as you put her for inside that pocket, you go use your hand hook am. Till I grow rich like this, I never see her. Nobody does settle those two people. If you even try at the end, they no go enter your house again. So there's no need. Even when be the children. Please love your wife. And you go see what your wife will give you. It will give you peace. It will give you all your life. I'm telling you. Try it and stop telling us to keep you. No be our bad character and I make una dey wayward. No be our bad character as una talk say we get bad character. Now make una dey beat us. No be him at all. Now you don't know how to lead. Yes. Can you imagine? Woman man love your wife. People they talk say na shami take career, na juju they warrior, na juju they worry this man. This man don't know what they do. Can you imagine? And the man now when he love you, I will come they listen to outside that. Only wa is zuabai or wa na juju this woman really take or carry me. No be juju. Love your wife and see what your wife will give to you. Love your wife and see how God will take bless you. Listen to your wife, even though it's dey meaningful, it's not dey meaningful. Listen to her. Even though they talk blah blah blah, the word no correct, and you yourself no say yes, the woman no they make sense. May you see how God will take sustain you, and may you see how God will take love you. May please buckle up. There are too much single mother in the world now, and don't be celebrating it because now you go suffer. Don't be celebrating it today. Ah, man, no, you see, Anna, you know, marry, not the husband again. What of you when you know if you keep the woman? You know the thinker. You know the reason now, my brother. You know the reason now. Say yes, woman cannot keep a man. We not fit keep you at all. We not fit keep you now. Now go keep us. Lead way. Lead way. They try to check time. Lead way. Okay, my brothers and sisters, God bless you all. I'll be leaving you now. Tomorrow I will be coming with another message. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you will see my link there. Grace Better, just subscribe. God bless you all as you watch with me today. I'll come your way tomorrow in the evening, maybe this time too. I don't know, because my schedule I don't really know. That's why when I want to come, I know they give a visa. Una no verse. So God bless you all. I'll come your way tomorrow by the grace of God. May please love us. We will love you back. God bless you all. Bye bye.